AI is changing the way businesses run, and the best part is you don't need a lot of money to get started. In fact, some AI business ideas can be launched with $0, just using free tools. But not all AI businesses are created equal. Some are super easy. You can start today as a solo freelancer. Others are more challenging, but have much bigger profit potential. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 viral AI business ideas, ranked from the easiest to the hardest, so you know exactly where to start and how to scale up as your skills and income grow. Let's start with the easiest AI business idea you can start right now.
Number 1. AI resume and cover letter writing. One of the simplest AI businesses to start with $0 is helping job seekers create polished resumes and cover letters. With the job market becoming more competitive every day, millions of people are struggling to make their applications stand out. That's where AI-powered tools come in. Using ChatGPT or Jasper, you can generate professional and customized cover letters in minutes. Tools like Rezi, Kick Resume, and EnhanceV specialize in AI resume building, ensuring proper formatting, keyword optimization, and ATS applicant tracking system compliance. Meanwhile, Grammarly and Quillbot can help polish grammar, tone, and readability. As a freelancer, you can package your services by offering a resume plus cover letter bundle, LinkedIn profile optimization, and even interview prep using AI coaching apps like VMock. Startup cost? $0. Profit potential? $500 to $3,000 per month as a solo freelancer, with even higher potential if you scale into an agency or subscription-based service. This is a perfect entry-level AI business, easy to start, in demand, and highly profitable. And if writing resumes isn't your thing, here's another easy business idea that's just as profitable.
Number 2, AI content creation services. All right, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to make money with AI right now, content creation services. Think about it. Every business out there needs content. Blogs, Instagram posts, TikToks, YouTube shorts, graphics, you name it. But here's the problem. Most business owners don't have the time or the creativity to make content every single day. That's where you step in. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai for writing, Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva AI for graphics, and even Runway or Pictory for videos, you can literally create content in minutes. Seriously, what used to take hours can now be done while sipping your coffee. You can start small, maybe charge $100 for a set of Instagram posts or $300 for a blog and video combo. But here's the exciting part. Once you build a few clients, you can turn this into a full-on agency and charge monthly retainers. Startup cost, basically $0. Profit potential, anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 a month if you scale. Number 3, AI marketing and sales automation. Now, let's step it up a little with something every business actually cares about, getting more customers. And that's where AI marketing and sales automation comes in. Think about it. Businesses don't just want nice logos or pretty websites. They want sales. They want paying customers. And with AI tools like HubSpot AI, Zapier, MiniChat, and even ChatGPT-powered chatbots, you can help them get exactly that. Here's how it works. You set up AI-driven ads that target the right people, you use chatbots to answer customer questions instantly, and you automate lead generation so businesses never miss an opportunity. Now here's the cool part. You don't even need to be a big marketing agency. You can start out as a solo consultant, charging small businesses $500 to $1,500 a month to manage their AI-powered marketing. Once you prove results, you can scale up, land bigger clients, and charge $5K or even $10K a month per client. Startup cost, $0 to $100. Profit potential, $10,000 to $100,000 a month if you stack multiple clients. Number 4, AI tutoring and education platforms. All right, let's switch gears to one of the biggest industries out there, education. Now imagine this, an AI tutor that never gets tired, never gets impatient, and can teach a student any subject 24/7. Pretty crazy, right? With tools like ChatGPT, Quizlet AI, Socratic by Google, and even custom-built chatbots, you can create platforms that help students learn languages, math, science, or honestly, whatever subject you want. Here's how you can start. build a simple AI-powered tutoring service. Maybe you help students practice English conversation with an AI chatbot, or you create automated quizzes and flashcards that adapt to each student's level. Parents love tools that actually help their kids improve. And the money side? You could charge a small subscription fee, like $10 or $20 a month, and scale up as you get more users. On the low end, this could be $5,000 a month. But if you build it into a full platform or an app and go global, you're talking millions in potential revenue. Startup costs? Low, maybe a website or app build. Profit potential? $5K a month, small scale, millions if you go worldwide.
Number 5, AI e-commerce and dropshipping optimization. Now, if you've ever thought about starting an online store or doing dropshipping, this next idea will blow your mind because AI makes e-commerce way smarter. Here's the deal. Running a store isn't just about throwing random products online. You've got to pick what's trending, set the right price, run ads, and keep customers happy. But with AI, you can automate most of that. For example, tools like Shopify's AI, Sell the Trend, AdCreative.ai, and even ChatGPT for product descriptions can help you find winning products, write listings, create ads, and test different pricing, all automatically. Now you've got two options here. Option 1, run your own AI-powered store and let the tech do most of the heavy lifting. Option 2, build a service or even a tool that helps other sellers optimize their stores with AI. Either way, it's a huge opportunity. And the profit? Well, even a single successful store can pull in 6 figures a year, and if you help other sellers, you could scale into the hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions. Startup cost? Moderate. You'll need a store setup and maybe ad spend. Profit potential? $100,000 to $500,000 a year. Number 6, AI for real estate. All right, let's talk about real estate, because this is where the money gets really interesting. Real estate agents and investors are constantly chasing two things: better leads and smarter predictions, and that's exactly where AI comes in. Imagine this. You build a chatbot that answers property questions 24/7, books viewings, and even recommends homes based on what a buyer is looking for. No missed calls, no slow responses, just instant service. Agents love that because it helps them close deals faster. Or take it a step further. You could create an AI tool that predicts property values based on market data, crime rates, schools, and trends. Investors pay big money for insights like that, because one good prediction could literally mean millions in profit. And here's the kicker. You don't have to build the entire thing from scratch. You can start small, offer chatbot setups for real estate websites, or sell market prediction reports. Then once you've got cash flow, scale into a full platform. Startup cost? Medium. You'll need data access and some AI tools. Profit potential? $500,000 to $2 million per year. Number 7. AI data analytics for businesses. Now we're stepping into serious money territory because every business these days is drowning in data. They've got sales numbers, customer behavior, website clicks, logistics, financial records, you name it. But here's the problem. Most of them don't actually know what to do with all that data. That's where you come in. With AI, you can build dashboards that turn boring spreadsheets into easy-to-read insights. Imagine showing a farmer exactly how to boost crop yields, or helping a logistics company save millions by optimizing routes, or giving a finance company predictions on where to invest. That's insane value, and businesses will happily pay premium prices for it. And here's the best part. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Tools like Tableau, Power BI with AI plugins, ChatGPT, and even custom Python scripts can do most of the heavy lifting. Your job is to package it in a way businesses understand and charge monthly fees. Startup cost, medium to high, depending on your niche and tools. Profit potential, $1 million to $5 million per year. Number 8, AI healthcare solutions. All right, let's step into healthcare, because this one is not just profitable, it's life-changing. Hospitals, clinics, and even private practices are overwhelmed with patients, records, and endless paperwork. And guess what? AI can cut through all of that. For example, imagine an AI tool that scans medical images and flags potential issues before a doctor even sees them. Tools like Google's DeepMind Health and Path AI are already being used for medical imaging and diagnostics. Or think about a chatbot that helps patients book appointments, track medications, or get answers about their symptoms. Solutions like Ada Health and Buoy AI are doing exactly that. But here's where it gets really exciting. You can also build AI-powered wellness apps. tools like Fitbit AI Insights, Wobot for mental health, and Lark AI Health Coach are proof people are spending billions to stay healthy. Even a small slice of that market is massive. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Healthcare is more complex. You've got to deal with regulations and privacy. But if you position yourself right, you could land partnerships with hospitals, insurance companies, or even government health programs. Startup cost? High. You'll need experts, compliance, and reliable tech. Profit potential? $1 million to $10 million per year. Number 9, AI cybersecurity solutions. Okay, now let's talk about cybersecurity because, let's be real, hackers are getting smarter every single day. And businesses? They're terrified of losing customer data or getting hit with ransomware attacks. That's where AI steps in big time. With AI, you can create tools that detect unusual activity in real time. Think about it, an AI system that flags suspicious logins, weird spending patterns, or potential threats before they even cause damage. Tools like Darktrace, CrowdStrike Falcon, and Silence are already crushing it in the space, and they're making billions. Now, here's where the opportunity comes in. You don't need to build the next billion-dollar platform right away. You could start small, like setting up AI-powered security dashboards for small businesses, or even offering consulting where you integrate existing tools for clients who have no clue how to protect themselves. And because cybersecurity is such a high-stakes game, companies are willing to pay a lot to feel safe. Startup cost, medium to high, depending on whether you're building tools or consulting. Profit potential, $1 million to $10 million per year. Number 10, AI-powered SaaS platforms. All right, last but definitely not least, we've got the holy grail of AI businesses, AI-powered SaaS platforms. Now, this one's not for the faint of heart. It's the hardest to pull off, but also the most profitable by far. Here's the idea. Instead of selling services one by one, you build a software platform powered by AI that people subscribe to every month. Think of tools like Grammarly for writing, Jasper AI for marketing content, or Copy AI. These companies are pulling in millions every single month because once people start using the software, they just keep paying for it. The beauty of SaaS is recurring revenue. You don't have to chase new clients every week. Your platform works while you sleep. Of course, this requires a bigger team, solid funding, and a lot of patience to build. But if you can nail it, you're not just making money, you're building an empire. Startup cost, high. Team plus development. Profit potential, millions to tens of millions of dollars per year.
And there you have it. 10 viral AI business ideas you can start with $0, ranked from the easiest to the hardest. Now, the real question is, which one are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see what you're building. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on AI and business growth. And if you want me to go deeper into any of these ideas, like step-by-step tutorials, the best tools to use, or even how to land your first client, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.